So what could be a good reason why it would have to close under your family trust? Because it doesn't matter if at the last minute John Smith changes it from John Smith to JS Family Trust. The underwriter's not going to care if escrow is doing it all at the same time, as long as it's getting done. But you have to explain why you would do it. What would be the reasoning?
I wanted to sell the house to family. They're trying to come after me with money or something like that.
The money from this sale is going to be held in a trust for my kids or grandkids, whatever. No, I haven't put it in there yet, but it has to close under the trust because that money is going to be held for my kids. So I want it to go directly into the trust, and it doesn't get touched. Now Belinda goes to the underwriter. Oh, okay, no, he didn't put it under the trust, but they're changing it through escrow to the trust because that money is going to his kids when they're old enough or whatever. So it has to be held in a trust. So at that point, what the underwriter more than likely is going to request is for the warranty deed or special warranty deed to be done, and they'll ask escrow. Okay, can you prepare and send the warranty deed? It doesn't have to be signed at the moment. They'll hold it. They just want to see it because prior to funding, a condition is going to be that they sign that. And everything gets done at the end, so escrow will do them all. If you have an escrow, that's it, that will let you do it, they'll do it out.